Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 10:20 in Honolulu, 4:20 in New York. It is Monday, May 16th, 2016, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. We have a moderate rally underway in the precious metals markets, pretty much across the board. Gold trading up about 0.25%. 1275, 1276. Now, the interesting thing is it has traded to a high of 1290. We haven't seen that in a while. Low today, 1271.60. Let's take a look at our first chart. Monday is turning out to be a most interesting day when we look at the technical components and really how this market has traded throughout yesterday's trading session as it opened overseas into the nighttime session as it moved through Australia, Hong Kong, London, finally to New York at about 3:34 o'clock in the morning Hawaii time. Now, the high is what I have really drawn my attention to because it's a high we have not seen in quite some time, and that high is of 1290. Low being a 1271. So when we take a look at the market, and I'm going to convert this in a second or just bring out a standard chart. This is in Japanese average format, but the lows and the highs will still remain the same. And so we're still getting this series of higher lows. There's no doubt that today's low at 71 is much beyond the lows that we saw last week. Now, when we look at our upper level, our resistance line, we absolutely and clearly broke through that in trading last night. However, as of this writing and recording of this show, the market has gone back into the triangle itself and is now trading at around 1276. And so traders, you can see this pretty much the same when we look at a standard candlestick chart. In this particular instance, it looks very similar, of course. It's set up at 1440, of course, and that's so we have the current print in terms of the marketplace itself. When I set it for dailies, it does have to update the dailies. And so our current print right now is 1275.50, roughly the same place that we entered the market. Now, again, we take a look at this series of cascading lower highs. We certainly broke above that, and depending on how you draw the trend line, we are certainly out of that area, but I still believe we could easily still be in the body of this particular pattern itself. But what is relevant to me is the fact that it came off of these highs so quickly. That's certainly something we need to pay attention to. I would have liked to, as I said just a few days ago, seen some more follow through. And of course, we haven't really gotten that. Realize that we identified a three-river morning star, and that was this three-day pattern here. But the following day, rather than having any kind of a follow through, we had the exact opposite. We gave back pretty much all that we had gained during the day and then some, because you can see this close is actually lower than the green candle in the three-river morning star. We got some of it back on Friday's trading. We had a nice $10 rise in the market. And then, of course, today, yes, we are up, but we are certainly well off of these highs. And so we'll have to see if we get some follow through in the evening session. It seems over the last couple of weeks, I have noticed the peaks of the intraday highs coming overseas in the nighttime sessions. Silver also trading higher on the day today, up about a nickel, 5 cents, but it is trading over $17 an ounce at 17.14. As you can see on the screen, it's traded to a low of 17.07 and a high of 17.38. Now, the number that I am looking at in terms of this marketplace having to move through and its current level of resistance has to come up at these tops at around $18. You can see the top here at 18. You can see the top here at about, 1780 is this mark here, so just shy of that, just shy of 1780 here. And that's the mark we've got to beat. The first mark, of course, is we've got to come up above 1760, and that's my current level of resistance in silver. I'm still looking at support as being this 61% retracement level at approximately $16.70. Maintain your current long position in gold. Maintain your current stop level. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.